So, good evening, all. This is Dr. S. Shekhar, founder and managing trustee of Star International Foundation for Research and Education, Tamil Nadu. We welcome you all for the fifth day of 5 days online workshop on Foundation of Stock Market for Beginners. Now, the session was handed over to our resource person, Mr. Alauddin Basa, sir. Sir, welcome you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Good evening to all, guys. Today, the last day. So, before starting this session, behalf of Alban Securities Private Limited, heartily thank to Shekhar sir and Star International Foundation for research and education, giving this wonderful opportunity and a great initiative to conduct this kind of workshop on 5 days. Once again, thank you, sir. Okay, so this is a last day, so I convey some information before going to start this seminar or workshop. So I think most of the participants are faculties, HODs, and lecturers in various colleges from the various district and various state. So if you want any services from my side, we are providing the a lot of services in for the students, like conducting the hands-on workshops, seminars, FDPs, portfolio management services, and technical analysis. If you want any kind of services, you can ping me. This is my number. You can just note it down. Okay, if anything means, you can just ping me. Okay, thank you. So we're going to start the today's session. Before going to today's sessions, yesterday I give some assessment or whatever it is. Anyone can do by using the some technical chart analysis. You can find out one or two stocks. Anyone from the
yes, sir. Titan stock.
Titan. Okay, good. Then
Only one, sir.
one. Okay, from your side, only one. Good, no issue.
Yes, sir.
Titan. Any other? Titan. Titan. It's a very good stock. Okay. What kind of technical chart you can apply in Titan, sir?
In monthly candle.
Okay, first we go for the monthly. Very good time frame. Then next.
From 2020, it will be in upside trend.
Yeah, good upside trend. Okay, very good.
Then it also go to the uptrend because it is high value stock. Better. This is good for the investment, sir.
From 2020, your analysis is very good. It's a higher high, and it's going on higher high. Very good. So by using the trend, it should be in go. It may be it will reach in my point of view nearly 5,000 to 6,000. Maybe expert in coming years. So it's very good analysis, sir. Your good name?
Yes, sir.
Sir, your good name?
Amiruddin, sir.
Good, sir. Thank you. Any other? Any other participant? So why am I asking, repeating this means in stock market analysis, it is not like a theory topic, or it is not a subject to teach and finish off. Okay, it's like a real-time scenario. So you can at least spend 10 to 15 minutes every day, at least 10 to 15 minutes in every day. Then only you can learn somewhat from the stock market, because this is a money earning area. So you mark my word, in future, maybe 3 to 5 years, this stock market industry is a very huge booming, one of the booming industry in our country. So don't miss this opportunity, guys. Okay, before 10 years, no one can tell these kinds of informations, or no one can conduct this kind of workshops. But today is everything available in online. Okay, so everything in your hand, in your mobile. So you have a lot of opportunities. The only condition is you should utilize the particular opportunity in proper way. It's a very, very important one. Okay, so it's a one kind of way to earn the income in proper way. So in my suggestion is, don't skip this scenario for your side as well as your student point of view. Okay, let's move on to the today's session. Today's session is very useful for all kind of participants. So don't skip the today's section, guys. Okay, so first one is earning strategy. So what kind of earning will you expect? So everything, everyone, we must need having strategies. For example, investing the fixed deposit, investing in real estate, gold, like that. But it's all in a correct format means is 100% is not, because today we have a lot of opportunities to invest in various kind of industries like gold, real estate, mutual funds, debt funds. So we have a lot of opportunities. But before going to invest in any sector, you need to analyze. Even though you can put the FD in a bank, you are not simply blindly go and put the FD in particular banks. So before that, you can analyze out of 2 to 3 banks or out of 5 banks, which one is very high interest rate. So based on this interest rate only, you can put the FD in particular bank. Correct. So similarly, you can at least analyze the particular stock or analyze the particular mutual fund or analyze the particular sector before going to invest is very, very important one. Okay. So today we will discuss about the what are the basics earning strategies in our real life scenarios. Okay. So first one is today we are going to discuss about these important points: gold investments, mutual funds, highest dividend stocks, and also what are the income tax slabs when you are investing in these kinds of investment strategies. Okay, let's move on to the basics of investments. The first day itself, I told, if you have 100 rupees, you don't put on the 100 rupees in single sector. Okay, it's a very, very what I'm saying. It is not a correct method to invest your amount in amount for long-term purposes. So even though if you have 10 rupees or 100 rupees or 100 lakhs rupees or 1C, whatever it is, you should decide your investment as diversification. The diversification is a very, very vital word in the finance systems. Okay, so your investment should be in diversification. Okay, then only long term will be, you will surveil in your life. Okay, for example, if you have 1 lakh rupees, you can split the 1 lakh at least into 5 times, divided into 5, because the 20,000 invest in real estate, for example, 20,000 invested in gold, 20,000 invested in FD, 20,000 invested in bonds, and the remaining 20,000 invested in share market. So this is the correct way to our correct method to for your investments. Okay, you can add on some values plus or minus in the particular investment. There is no issue, but the diversification is very important for investment in long term. I'm talking about only in long term, not for short term. Okay, if your investment, if for example you are going to invest 5 lakhs or 10 lakhs a particular land or home, it's only for long term purposes. Okay, within a week or within a month, you will not think about the sell the particular real estate, land or home. Okay, so these points, all these points are, you should be it's only for long term purposes, not for short term purposes. So that's why I'm always recommended your investment should be a diversification. This is the example of best diversification: fixed deposit, bonds, gold, stocks, even mutual funds, real estate, whatever it is. Okay, first we are going to think about the very famous commodity in our real life. It's called as the gold. Okay, so each and every family, this is one of the big dream to invest in somewhat, at least somewhat invest in gold. Okay, whether it's correct or not, I'm not argue with you guys, because most of the people are always thinking about the always think once the investment means they are suddenly move on to the gold side. Is that correct or not? Okay, it's a debatable one. Okay, we are not going to discuss that that point of view. Okay, many of people know about the sovereign bond. Some of the people may not be aware of sovereign bond. So sovereign bond is the best investment in gold. Okay, you listen my words very carefully. Best investment in gold is sovereign bond. Okay, but if you want to wear the gold means, you just keep this bond. Okay, once if you are going to think about investment in gold, you think about sovereign bond is a very good thing, because anyone from the participants, for example, if you have a 10,000 gold, or at least okay, or 2,000 gold in your home, that particular gold can return any amount in every year or 2 years once? Any return from your exiting gold, guys?
No.
No, it is only for wearing purpose, correct?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Again, I'm repeat once again. If you think about wearing the gold, you just skip this concept. Or if you think about investment in gold, you just listen each and every terms in the sovereign bond. It is very, very useful for you, exclusive for your children. It's very, very useful. Okay. Okay. What is meant by sovereign gold? Sovereign gold is the SGP, shortly called as the SGP, is launched in November 2015 as per the as under the control of central government in the terms of RBI, Reserve Bank of India. Okay, so SBI is issued to be by only RBI, not any private sector. Okay, so there is no security issue because it should be issued by the RBI, Reserve Bank of India. Okay, the bonds tenure, it may be 5 years, 6 years, 7 years, or 8 years. We'll explain later. Okay, we just think about we are going to invest in gold in SGP. It is issued by the RBI. Maximum tenure period is 8 years. You can just fix it. Okay, and mainly main advantage of this investment is you can get the collateral from the by using this SGP. Okay, you can act as the you can put as the collateral and get the loan from SGP. Okay, and also it can be useful for saving your tax, and it can be useful to saving your tax. So these are the important points. Before going to explain this sovereign gold, we move it on a real-time scenario. Okay, so I need help of the participants because I'm not convenient to skip the each and every tab in my system. So at least from participants, you can answer me. Then only the this hands-on session will be useful for both of us. Okay, what's the today date? 27/9/2024. Correct. Okay. Anyone can tell the today's 1 gram gold price? 24 carat.
7,100.
SGP golds only for 24. SGP golds only for 24 carat, not 22. What's the price, ma'am?
7,100. sir.
7,100. Okay, this is 1 gram. Then 8 gram means 7,100 into 8. It's a 1 sovereign, correct? So today price is 56,800. Okay. For example, you just think today you are going to invest 80 grams. That means 80 into 80 means how many sovereign?
10.
10. Very good. So I just put the enter. So total volume is total value of total value is 5,68,000. 5,68,000. Okay. So 10 sovereign. Okay. I consider 10 sovereign. Okay. Good. Okay. The maximum tenure period of gold is 8 years. Okay. You can just add the 8 year. 24 plus 8. 32. Correct?
30.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Is that correct? Yes. Okay. The same 1 sovereign at 2032 also 7,800. For example, the 8 gram same 5,000. Sorry, 56,800. Okay. The actual value is 5,68,000. Okay. The same value, but at real time, it is possible to buy the 10 sovereign at the rate of 7,100 per gram. You can add the what kind of taxes will be added?
So wastage will be there. GST.
Okay. Okay.
GST.
Okay. Anyone can tell GST plus. Okay. We can just okay. GST plus wastage. Can you tell me GST plus wastage of a single sovereign?
GST 3%, sir.
Approximately, ma'am. You can just, for example, 1 sovereign is today is 56,800 rupees. Okay, you just add it GST plus wastage for 1,000 or 8 gram, any some value like 4,000 or 5,000,
10%,
whatever it
sir.
is.
10% means 5,600.
Okay,
Wastage.
we can round up. Okay, ma'am, we can round as 6,000.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes.
good. Okay, so we'll put on wastage plus, sorry. So we can put as wastage plus GST. Okay, wastage and GST per gram is 6,000 rupees. Now the total value of your buying 10,000 is per sovereign 6,000 means 10 sovereign 60,000. So I can add it 5,68,000 plus 60,000. It's correct, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is the total value of 10 sovereign. Okay, I just put it in bracket. Okay. Today, if you are going to buy the 10 sovereign at the price of 6,28,000. Okay, but you get only 10 sovereign. After 8 years, 2032, you can just sell the these 10 sovereign at the price of 6,28,000. It's possible after 8 years.
No, sir.
You can minus some wastage. Anyone can tell me the wastage of a single sovereign approximately?
2 to 3% of wastage will be there, sir. Depreciation will be there in the gold. If it is
Yes,
dual,
ma'am. I'm asking the value of the wastage, total wastage for a single sovereign. For example, it will take 3,000.
3,000 to 2. Yeah.
Okay, 3,000 means it will be at for the 10 sovereign. It should be a 30,000. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay, it is a 30,000. So once you are going to sell the same 10 sovereign, what is your investment is original investment is 5,68,000 minus 30,000. 30,000 is your wastage when you sell this 10 sovereign. So your investment is 6,28,000 at 27/9/2024. After 8 years, there is no change in gold rate. The same price. For example, you can sell the same 10 sovereign. The value is 5,38,000 only. So you can minus the buy and sell value. So 90,000 you have a loss. Are you agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes.
90,000 a loss. Okay. Now the same procedure will apply in the same date. We can apply the sovereign gold, same date. Okay, I put as 27/09 and 2024. Same as usual. These are the values are the same. So today price is like 7,100. Same 56,800 and same 5,68,000 in 10 sovereign. But in sovereign bond, every year for your investment, they give the 2.5%. Every year they can give 2.5%. For 8 years, how many percentage will be accumulated? For a year, 2.5% mean for 8 years.
20%, sir.
How it is possible? Per year, 2.5% means for 8 years.
20%, sir.
Sorry.
Ma'am, per year 2.5. Normally 2.5%. For
Yes, sir.
2 years, 5%.
16. 2 8 is 16.
Okay.
0.5 into 8, 4.
Yeah.
So total 20%.
So
Yeah,
2.5
20%, sir.
5. So 5 plus 5, 10 into 2, 20. Okay, ma'am. So you can just calculate 20% of 5,68,000.
5,68,000.
1,10,000 something, sir.
Approximately 1,10,000, correct?
1,10,000 something. 1,10,000
Okay,
something.
approximately 1,10,000 return, 1,000 rupees. You get the return from this 5,68,000. Now you can add the two values. Your investment is 5,68,000 plus 1,10,000. This is the your net return of 7,68,000 after you are selling the 8 years. The second point is there is a no tax for this 1,10,000. Once you are selling the 10,000, there is a no tax for this 1,10,000. This is the second point. And third beauty is you are going to buy the 80 grams in 2024 means each and every gram, as per the government RBI norms, when you are going to SGP, sovereign gold bond, they can reduce 50 rupees per the pound. 50 rupees per gram. So in 8 grams, you get the 400 rupees discount per pound. So you can add it the 10,000 means, so 80 into 4. So you get 4,000 rupees additional discount when you are going to buy the 10,000 in through Demat account or online trading. Or if you are going to buy in post office or any bank directly, this facility or these discounts are not applicable. Only you can buy this sovereign gold bond in through Demat account or online. You can get the 50 rupees discount per gram. But if you are going to buy in directly from post office or a bank means this 50 rupees discount per gram is not applicable. So you can add this 4,000 rupees also. So plus 4,000. So after 8 years, you get 6,82,000, nearly 1,15,000 profit. I am not adding the tax also. If you are adding the tax, it will goes up to nearly 1.5 lakhs profit after 8 years. And second important one is there is no need of security because it should be in Demat format, that is online format. So don't think about theft or like that or damage or like that. So these are the best advantages of to investing the gold in sovereign bond when you are thinking gold as the investment. I mean, repeat once again, if you are thinking about investment in gold, you go for sovereign bond. If you are thinking about for wearing this gold means, it is not applicable for the particular peoples. Are you clear in sovereign bond?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Or
sir.
any
Yes.
doubt?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts?
No, sir.
So this the point is alternative way to hold the physical gold, risk free, theft free. Okay. So there is a no worry about risk and theft. And similarly, 2.5% return interest rate for every year for your investment of your gold. Okay. And the digital safety is a very highly one. So there is a no theft or other risky factor. And as I told the government of India, the RBI decided to offer the discount of 10 to 50 rupees per gram when you are investing through digital mode. Digital mode means you can buy in online or a digital Demat through Demat. The 50 rupees per gram should be a discount price. Okay. So what are the benefits? As usual, and one of the important point, guys, don't forget. Okay, don't think about you can buy any number of gold. As a single person, as per the single PAN card, you can buy maximum only 4 kg. Okay, so you don't think about buy above 4 kg. I think all of you laughing. Okay, the maximum capacity of a single PAN card you can buy in sovereign bond up to 4 kg. Minimum 1 gram it's possible. Okay, you can start from 1 gram. The maximum size you can buy 4 kg per PAN card. That means 4 kg per person. Okay, this is the big advantage. If it is possible, you can buy 4 kg, no issue. And there's a 2.5% zero risk handling actual gold. And this is the main thing is a 24 karat. It's a 999 purity of our gold. Okay, so it's a very, very important one. And So you can purchase this SGP through Stack Holding Corporation of India or Post Office or NSE BSE Exchange or any commercial banks except small finance and payment banks. Because, sorry, you can buy any of it from the listed here. Okay. So my suggestion, you go to buy through online through Demat account. Then only you can get the 8 gram means 8 into 4, at least 8 into 5, 400 rupees. We get discount per pound by when you are buying the SGP through Demat account. Okay, so my suggestion is always you better buy through online. Okay. So if you have any queries still, if you have any doubts or clarification, you can directly mail at sgp@rbi.org.in. Okay, this for any queries or in future, you can just directly put your mail in this mail ID. Okay. So this is the sovereign bond. It's a very good opportunity, exclusive for women and also children's. Okay. And the next one is top dividend stocks in public sector undertaking. So again, I'm saying I'm not recommending these stocks. Okay. And same time, I'm not saying to avoiding this stock. What I'm conveying to you is these 10 stocks is a huge dividend in the past 10 to 15 years. So if you want to invest these kind of stocks, please do your own research. After that, you can decide whether you're going to invest this kind of stock or not. But as per the record, these 10 PSC stocks are, that is public sector undertaking stocks are, they are giving the huge return in the past years. Okay, Bharat Petroleum, IOC, Indian Oil Corporation, Coal India, Chennai Petroleum, SAIL, Steel Authority of India, Power Grid Corporation, Bank of Baroda, REC. So these are the very good stock. Even some private sectors also, they are giving the huge dividend. But compare with the public sectors, I can recommend or I can choose these kinds of stocks. They are giving the huge returns. Let me check randomly 2 stocks. Okay, we'll go with Bharat Petroleum. Okay, we just click the link. It directly move on to the Rediff Money website. Okay, so you can see in Bharat Petroleum they are giving the, they are start to distributing the bonus. Sorry, distributing the dividend from which year? Anyone from participant?
1997.
Yes, you just think about from 1997 means almost 30 years. From 1997, every year they are giving the bonus. Sometimes they are giving the 2 times per year. For example, 2001 and 2003 they are giving 3 times. 2004, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Some gaps are there, but okay. 17, 18, 21, 24. In last 3 months be back also they are giving the dividend at 105%. Bharat Petroleum. So just list out. So similarly, we'll move on to the another stocks, Bank of Baroda. Okay. So you just check the dividend. This company also giving the dividend from Bank of Baroda from 1997 to till now. In 2024. Last May they are giving 380%. So you just imagine, okay, you can compare this dividend. Someone can holding the Bank of Baroda from 1997 to 2004. Actually, this stock price is compare with the stock price, the dividend value is more high. So you can select these kind of stocks in future. It will very useful to or improve your portfolio by using this dividend value. Okay, so just note it down. These are the top 10 dividend stocks in public sector. Maybe some of the stocks are I missed, but up to my knowledge, I can select these 10 stocks. I am repeat once again. I am not recommend these stocks. Same time, I am not say to skip these stocks. Do your own research before going to invest these kinds of stocks. Okay. Any doubts?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Let's move on to the next one. So tax. Okay, this is one of the biggest threat for all. Okay, if even though you can if you have an income or not, you need to file the ITR. Okay, so Okay, let me check what kind of the tax or what kind of the slabs when you are entering in stock market or investing in mutual funds or gold. Okay, let me check one by one. So these are the main chart to identify or useful to how they are our tax will be allocated in previous year and current year. Okay, so we will not cover all the asset type. We just find out one or two things. For example, equities, mutual funds, bonds, gold, silver, ETFs. So we can find out only 2 to 3 categories. Okay, STGC means nothing but short-term capital gains. LTCG is nothing but long-term capital gains. For example, you can buy and sell the product. That means a stock or mutual fund within a year. Okay, the 20% of the tax will be applicable. Revised one, you just skip the earlier one because there's no use. There's no use of postmortem report. Okay, after revised to 2024 at the budget in June, July. So revised budget, they can allocate 20% of the tax for short-term capital gains. Once you can hold more than 1 year, the revised tax is 12.50. You just note it down, 12.5 because it is very useful for middle class purpose, middle class family members. Okay, and similarly, mutual funds, there's a no based on the slab rate will be fixed. So there is a no issue. Listed bonds, there is a no change in the listed bonds in short-term capital gains, but in long-term capital gains, it should be changed as 10% to again 12.5%. Similarly, as a physical real estate, we just ignore this is real estate. To go for the gold and silver in STGC, is the same slab rate, but in a long-term capital gain. Okay, in long-term capital gain, it will be changed as a slab rate to 12.5%. It's very good for middle class peoples. Okay, we'll discuss how it is useful in our middle class peoples. Okay, let me see one by one. Okay, first one is we think about investing in equity mutual funds. There are three kinds of mutual funds: equity mutual funds, debt mutual funds, and gold ETF, gold silver ETF. Okay, there are 3 kinds of mutual funds. So first we are think about equity mutual funds. What is in the equity mutual funds? As a particular mutual fund, they can invest more than 65% of the values in equity or equity related instrument. Then it is called as equity mutual fund. I'm repeating once again. A mutual fund, they can invest their investment is more than 65% in equity or equity related instrument, then called as equity mutual fund. Okay. In equity mutual fund, in short term, okay, short term means how many years? Anyone from participant?
Less than 1 year.
Yeah, good. So short term means less than 1 year. Okay, in once you can buy and sell the mutual fund before 1 year, you should pay 20%. Okay, even you can get a profit 100 rupees, the same 20%. Even you can get the 1 lakh rupees in the same 20%, or even you can get the 1 crore profit or 1 crore more than 1 crore profit, the same 20%. Okay, there is no change based on the profit. Okay, every profit from 1 rupee to unlimited, only 20% will be tax for short-term capital gain. Okay, it's clear. Any doubt in short-term capital gain?
No, sir.
Okay, let's move on to the long-term capital gain. So long-term capital gains is somewhat different from the STCG because in long-term capital gain, first 12.5% of rate it should be applicable for 1.25 lakhs for the FY. FY means it's a financial year. Okay, let me see with one example. For example, the person can invest 3 lakhs rupees after 1 year or after 2 years, even 1 year or 2 years. Once you cross the 12 months, it can act as the LTCG, long-term capital gain. Even you can hold 10 years, the same LTCG, long-term capital gain. There's no change in that term. Okay, so as a person invest in 3 lakhs rupees in equity mutual funds, after 2 years they can sell at 5 lakhs rupees. How much profit? 2 lakhs rupees. These 2 lakhs rupees they need to pay 12.5%. First, after in these 2 lakhs rupees, they can exemption is 1.25 lakhs. Out of 2 lakhs profit, you can exempt to 1.25 lakhs. So once 2 lakhs minus 1.25, 75,000. So you need to pay the tax 12.5% for 75,000. That means 9,375. Clear? Can you repeat or clear?
Yes, sir.
Can I repeat or clear?
Clear, sir.
Clear, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is the basics calculation of a long-term capital gain. Okay. Yes. I think some noise are disturbed. So please mute. Yeah, thank you. Next one is this 1.25. How it play in our real-time life cycle? We just check it this chart. Okay. This is the old long-term capital gain. This is the new long-term capital gain. Okay, we'll first check the old long-term capital gain. If you are getting the 1 lakh rupees profit, there is a no tax. 1.25. That means more than 1 lakh is exemption. 1 lakh is exemption. If you're going to more than 1 lakh, you can pay the tax of 10%. So if you are getting 1.25 profit, you just pay the 10% tax is 25. But in new, it should be a 0. In third one, sir, please mute. Okay, thank you. In third category, if you're getting the 3 lakhs profit, 2 lakhs profit, same 10%, you pay the tax 10,000 rupees. But here, you're getting the 1.25 lakhs, there is no tax. It's a very good one. And third one, if you're getting the 2 lakhs profit, again you can pay the 12.5%. So 9,375. That's not a major difference. But after that, you're getting the 2.25 lakhs profit, the value should be same. Up to this middle class, it should be useful for us because there is a no tax for 1 lakh. There is a no tax for 1.25 lakhs. There is some profit in 2 lakhs profit. Up to 2 lakhs, it should be useful for in middle class. But if you are moving to the higher profit, for example, 3 lakhs, here 21 lakhs pay tax, here 20,000, here 21,000, you should need to pay the tax. Here you need to 20,000 tax. If like move on, if you're getting the 15 lakhs profit, okay, in long-term capital gain, you need to pay 1,71,875 rupees tax as per 12.5%. But here you can pay only 1,40,000. So as per the new revised version of the taxation in long-term capital gain, okay, up to this 3 slab or 4th slab, not even the 4th slab, up to the 3 slab, it's useful for as a middle class person, middle class people. But once it crosses the 3rd slab or 4th slab or 5th slab, it definitely somewhat will hurt in this new slab. Okay, in this new taxation. It's clear? Are you able to follow this new LTCC and the old LTCC? Are any doubts?
No doubt, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Now with one example, why I am putting this example means I think yesterday or day before some faculty member to ask me, sir, if you have if I have a more than one mutual fund, all the mutual fund profit will be consolidated and get the tax exception, or it's a separate one. So that's why they're putting in this diagram. Even if you have hold any number of mutual fund, the slab 12.5 is common for your overall profit, not individual mutual fund profit. Okay, I repeat once again. Even you can hold more than one mutual funds, the slab 12.5 should be common for your overall profit of the mutual funds. Okay. For example, if you have a 3 mutual fund 1, 2, 3 like that. So each mutual fund you get the 1 lakh rupees profit. So your total profit is 3 lakhs rupees. Once you are getting the 3 lakhs rupees, profit, okay, 12.5% should be taxed. Before that, 1.25 lakhs is exemption. So you just minus the 3 lakhs. 3 lakhs minus 1.25 lakhs. So remaining amount is 1,75,000 rupees for applicable for tax. Okay. So out of 1.75 lakh or 75,000, you can pay the tax for 12.5%. That means 21,875 rupees you need to pay for the profit of 3 lakhs. Okay, it is not 1,75,000. And repeat once again, 21,875 rupees the tax you need to pay as per the new slab 12.5% in long-term capital gain for your 3 lakhs profit. And these 3 lakhs profit came from all the mutual funds. It may be a 1 mutual fund or 2 or 3 or 10, whatever it is. It's clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts in this equity mutual funds tax exemptions?
No doubt, sir.
Okay. So, okay. The first one is equity mutual fund. Second one is debit mutual funds. Debt mutual fund. Debt mutual fund is nothing but in equity mutual fund, 65% of the amount will be invested in equity and equity related instruments. Similarly, debt fund mutual funds are invested in more than 65% or minimum 65% of the total assets are invested in bonds, corporate bonds. It may be a corporate bonds or government bonds or corporate debt securities or money market instruments, whatever it is. They are mostly, most of the allocation will be only in bonds basis. So that this kind of mutual fund is called as debt free or debt mutual funds. Okay. Okay. Now conclusion of this income tax exemption and income tax slab as per 2024. Okay. In equity fund, 65% and more on equity instruments is called as equity funds. In small short-term capital gain is less than 1 year, 15% before 23 July. After 23 July, long-term capital gain is 10%. But after 2024 July, it should be revised both STCG and LTCG. In LTCG, in long-term capital gain is from 15 to 25. In short-term capital gain is changed to 15 to 20%, and the long-term capital gain is changed to 10 to 12.5% in equity funds. Clear? In debt funds, similarly, 60% or more investment will be allocated for bonds. It is called as the debt mutual funds. In this debt funds, in July 23, 2024, before, for short-term capital gain, there is a no change because the slab rate, as per the slab rate, even though long-term, there is a no change as a slab rate, but in revised version, that means after July 2024, in debt funds, there is a no change, same slab rate. Whatever you get the slab rate, you can pay in debt funds. And third one is others. Others means you can go for equities, gold, gold, silver, or some basic funds. These kinds of exchange traded funds. ETF means exchange traded fund. These kinds of investments you can get 12.5% for long-term capital gain after the revision of 2024 budget. But in STCG, short-term capital gain, there is a no change. As per the slab rate, you can pay for the equities and ETFs. But in long-term capital gain, 12.5% you need to pay once you're getting more than 1 year or 24 months, you need to pay 12.5%. Similarly, gold or silver ETFs, same all the procedures should be in same for 1 year for 12.5%. There is a no change in ETFs. Okay, so these are the main points in slabs. It should be useful for in your future when you are going to invest. So before you're going to invest, you can check what kind of investment you need to allocate for your future life. It may be a debt fund, or it may be a equity fund, or it may be a ETF, or physical or real estate, or physical gold. Okay, so in my point of view, you can go with a mutual fund. Means you better you go with 50% equity mutual fund, 50%, 25% debt-free mutual fund, and remaining 25% you go with the ETF. ETF is nothing but is a exchange traded fund. I think the cost comparing with the debt and equity mutual fund, UTF is it's a very low quantity. Similarly, the price also is very cheap. For example, if you have a 500 rupees, it is possible to you buy a gold in gold showroom. If you have a 500 rupees, it is possible to buy the gold at a gold showroom.
No, sir.
Not at all possible. At least you can buy the 1 gram. It will take 7,000 and tax, wastage, etc., blah blah. We can add it near to 8,000. So, but in gold ETF, even though if you have a 500 rupees, you can buy the gold. How it is possible means the 500. For example, today 1 gram is 7,000 or 8,000 means you can divide the 500 into 1 gram. Sorry, 500 into 8 gram means you get some 0.00 something. You buy the gold at the rate of current price, you can buy 0.00 some quantity. So it is possible in ETF only. Or if you go with direct ETFs like Nippon, Reliance, you can buy the simple number of quantity by using Demat. Once you have a Demat account, you can buy the gold ETF directly through the exchanges. I will show you how it is possible to buy the gold ETF in through Demat account. That means exchanges. It should be useful for middle class as well as the lower middle class peoples, because we don't have that kind of amount to invest huge amount in single sketch. Okay, I can add the gold bees. Nippon India, so gold bees, I can just add it. What's the price of gold bees? Anyone?
63.
63 rupees 48 paise.
Yes, yes, it's a 63 rupees. Just you can buy in any through this any Demat account. So we can add it. It's like it's also once the gold base increase, this gold base also be increase. For example, every day or at least 15 days once or monthly once, you can add some gold base. It will give huge return in future. For example, you just check this chart. Once you can invest in, let me see. Yeah. For example, just 4 years before, you can invest in gold base in 2020. Just 4 years before. Just you see the low price here. I just put the cursor in 2020 January. What's the price? A low price is 34, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I can zoom it. Maybe useful for you. I put the cursor at January 2020. The low price is 34. Now, the current price is 63 rupees. So it almost double within 4 years. Okay, so whenever you have a time and whenever you have money means you just add this gold base, because it's a low price. Everyone can able to buy this kind of ETFs, so you can easily add it. It's one kind of investment. Compare with the real estate, compare with the stocks, compare with the mutual funds. It's a very simplest method to invest gold through online. But for long-term purposes, it is not a short-term purpose. Okay, today you can buy within a week or within a month. You don't think like that. Okay, it's a long-term investment. When the gold reaches 92,000 or 1 lakh, it maybe gives 100, 150 or 200. It gives a good return. It's clear?
Clear, sir.
Okay. Okay. Next one is a very interesting one. Anyone can judge what is the future price of gold. This is the $100 million question. Anyone can predict what is the price of what will be the price of gold at 2030, 2024 after
No,
5 years?
No, no.
Yes,
No,
yes.
sir.
Between
Ma'am, just
15 to
imagine.
20,000 per gram.
10,000.
No,
15 to
I'm asking
20,000
about
per
10
gram.
gram. I'm asking about 10 gram 24 karat. Now it's the price is like 56,000 something, correct? Sorry, not 56,000. What's the price of
above 18% of current market price.
gold rate is
Maybe
yeah, today as per the
around
Indian,
1 lakh.
as per the Chennai rate, okay, as per the Chennai rate 77,920. As per the Mumbai, as per the Mumbai, almost 78,000 at 2024 September 27. Okay, what my question is, within 2 to 3 years, anyone can assume or predict what will be the price of gold?
Maybe 1 lakh, sir.
90,000.
Yes.
1 lakh, sir.
1 lakh. Okay.
90,000.
Okay, let me check as per technical. This is only for technical, not yeah. Okay. So I already analyzed for you guys. So as per the monthly, okay. So from 22 to 24, within 2 years, the return of gold is almost 53%. Okay, you can add it the same 53% from 2024 to 2026, or even though it get 20%, that means half of the profit percentage compared with the previous 2 years, gold rate is easily achieved within 2026 or 2027, maximum 3 years. It almost reach 1 lakh rupees. It's higher possible. So once every time market will crash, in gold market will crash, you think about investment in gold, not in physical format, guys, because I'm clearly explained. If you are buying the physical format for investment, how much you get the loss. Okay, you don't think about investment in physical format in gold. Okay, if you are think about investment in gold, you go for online digital mode, then only you get the profit. So at least 20% within a 2 years is nearly possible in gold. So you get 20% profit in gold, means almost gold will going to reach nearly 1 lakh, maybe 1 lakh or 98,000, whatever it is. You mark my word. So maybe if you remember me, just you can call at 2026 or 2027. It's clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Hello. Hello. It's clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir,
sir.
clear.
Okay. Okay. So now we discussed a lot of earning strategies like gold, bonds, high dividend stocks in PSC sectors. Okay. So these kinds of earning strategies it will be very useful in your future. It may be, but it will take some time, maybe 2 years or 3 years, but it will give you the very decent return. Okay. You mark my word. All these strategies will give the decent return in your future, not huge return. You don't always think about a huge return in stock market. You always think about decent return. Okay, even 15% or 20% in per year in the through stock market is a huge return, because all the banks are given only 6 to 7% per year. So compare with the bank FD, bank interest rate, 15% is a huge return in stock market or any kind of investment. So you fix your mindset as a 15% to 20% per year is a very good investment, because within a 4 to 5 years your investment will be double. Okay, so you think about 15 to 20% only in profit percentage per year. Okay, now it's a participant times. So if anyone want to analyze a particular stock, if you have, for example, sir, these kinds of stocks are in my portfolio, sir. Nowadays it moving on very goes down, and I will be lost in my portfolio. Means you can just suggest your stocks. We can analyze through in live market is not possible, but we will analyze the at in front of all the participants. Or if you want to think about going to buy this kind. Very good. Or if you are think about, sir, in future I'm going to buy these kinds of stock, means that also can be recommended. Sorry, ma'am, can you repeat?
PNB, sir. PNB, Punjab National Bank.
Punjab National Bank. Okay, good.
Yes.
Punjab National Bank. Punjab National Bank. What is your holding period, ma'am? How long you need to wait? Hello? Hello, ma'am?
Sir, 2 years, sir. 2 years. 2 years.
2 years. Okay. 2 years. Clear trend. Clear trend. Okay. It's a what kind of technical analysis this one? Anyone?
Downtrend, sir.
No. I'm asking what kind of analysis you're going to do in this kind of chart. What is this line? It represents as what is this?
Trend line.
Trend line. Are you able to remember? This is the trend line. Okay, first one is trend line, and the next, just focus on the chart for 1 or 2 minutes. You can find the another technical analysis easily.
Sideways trend.
What, ma'am? Yeah, trend is okay. You can find out the trend. I'm asking about another one technical analysis is there in the chart. You can just find out.
Double top.
Double bottom.
Yeah, very good, ma'am. It should be in double bottom. Once you can identify the double bottom in these stocks, you get a good profit in. This is the double bottom. Once identify this bottom at nearly 27 to 30 rupees mean, today you get at least 400%. 400% in 4 years. Not even you imagine in your dream. Okay, this past is past. What next is the biggest question, because ma'am going to be invest in PNB, maybe a lakhs or crores, I don't know.
Not like that, sir.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, so what is your buying point is once it's break 143.
2 months onwards, it is in downward trend, sir. That's why only.
Okay, ma'am. But once it's break the trend line, as per our technical analysis, 143 above at monthly candle. Okay, because you are saying 2 years means you go for monthly candle. You can buy at above 143 at closing rate of 143 at monthly candle. You go for buy. Your target is from 143 to 280. That means almost your money is double, 96%. But you need to wait for the breakout at the price of 143. No, sir. I can take the risk. I can take somewhat risk means you have a second opportunity. You can buy at this previous support. That means you can, once it comes here, it is not able to break out and come here means that means 66 rupees is a great opportunity. You can buy. Your first target is 144. Second target is 280. This is your second choice of trade. Below 66, I'm not recommending. Once it comes, it breaks 66 and it comes again the same price, because history repeat itself at the 30 rupees zone is the wonderful opportunity for long term. It is called as triple bottom. Already we have 2 bottoms. Once it occurs here, it is called as triple bottom. In case, so this is the first bottom. This is the first bottom, and this one is second one, and this one is third one. Okay. For example, if you have a 1 lakh rupees, you buy at 143, 60 to 70,000. It's a very good. Same, if you have 1 lakh rupees, you can invest at 143 and above 50,000, and the remaining 50,000 at 66. But if it comes at 30 rupees, you can invest more than 1 lakh, because it's a great opportunity. But the important thing is once it's break below 30 at monthly, you can just simply exit from the particular stocks. Otherwise, you get the good loss. So you have 3 opportunity. First one is buy above 143, or if getting the chance of 66, you go for buy. Second buy. Even if you get the great opportunity at 30, you go for third buy.
Sir, if triple bottom means which one is neckline, sir?
Which one is neckline means triple bottom? This one is neckline.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Same neckline. Neckline is never changed. Market again. I will show you just a minute. Just clear this all this diagram. Yes, this is the first bottom. This is the second bottom. In case it comes on the third bottom, like here, so this is the neckline. Once it's break, market will move on very fast. Okay. It's
Sir,
clear,
at
ma'am?
123, I have bought, sir.
What, ma'am?
123 price I have bought, sir.
Oh,
That
you
should-
already bought, correct?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So now we'll move on to the daily time frame. It may be useful for you. 123, correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, yes.
Now you are in loss, correct?
Yes, sir.
No problem. It's basically it's good stock. There is no issue. No issue, ma'am. It definitely goes in short term period. It will go 140 rupees.
Okay, okay. Okay, sir.
You
Thank
don't
you.
think about the stop loss because it's a very good PSU bank. So if market goes down, it reduces the value of PNB. You can add it. There's no issue because basically it's a good stock.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Any other participants who want to analyze the particular stock?
Tata Steel, sir.
Tata?
Tata Steel.
Yeah, very good. It's one of my favorite. Tata Steel, you just mark my word. What is the okay? Estimate. Tata Steel, you mark my word. What's the current price of Tata Steel? Anyone?
166.55, sir.
You mark my word. Tata Steel will reach minimum 600 rupees. Okay, but don't ask how or when. Definitely, as per the technical analysis, it will go Tata Steel nearly 600 rupees, but it will take some time. It may be 4 years or 5 years. Within 5 to 6 years, it definitely reach 600 rupees as per my analysis. Maybe I'm wrong. As per my analysis. Okay, what's your cost of buying, ma'am?
Cost of buying it is to be 165, sir.
Oh,
165.
yesterday only you bought that.
No, sir. 1 month back, it has to be the uptrend and downtrend. It is to be going on.
Okay,
Last
no
month.
problem. What is your holding period?
Sir, here I am not putting holding period for this particular stock, sir. Sir, I have one doubt, sir. If whenever we want to buy, we have to put holding period in that, sir, or else we have to choose that one.
No. In stock, there is no need of you fix the holding period. It's unlimited.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay,
I
what is
didn't
so you are not holding the Tata Steel? It's a short time
No,
period, correct?
suppose if I have hold 2 years, whether it is to be profitable or not, sir.
Definitely, Tata Steel is a very good jump, but only condition is if Tata Steel goes down means you can average it. For example, it goes down at 100 rupees, you can add it. Tata Steel goes down at to 60 rupees or 70 rupees. It's a great opportunity to buy. Don't skip it.
Okay.
But it's a very good jump. In steel
Okay.
sector, Tata Steel, SAIL, JSW are the topmost companies in steel sectors.
Okay, sir. And Ashok Leyland, sir?
Okay. So before that, any other participant? Because give the opportunity
Okay,
for
sir.
all.
Okay.
Any other participant? Any stocks? No one. So we'll move on. Ashok Leyland.
BPCL, sir.
Volkswagen Group.
BPCL. BPCL is one of the very good pick for dividend. Okay. Oh, BPCL is very good. Okay. Anyone can say what happening in BPCL? Sir, you have a great
They are-
future.
Yes,
Once you
they
are
are
investing
expanding
in
their businesses in LPG and liquefied gas petroleums.
No, sir. I'm not asking about the news. I'm asking about if you are seeing the chart, you have a great
Okay.
opportunity. Is waiting for in chart. Anyone can find out?
It's a triple bottom, sir.
What's that?
Breakout.
Yeah, it's very good. Yes, sir. After long period, from I just mark for your convenience from 2016 to 2024. Yes, it's a great opportunity in BPCL for long-term perspective. You can invest in BPCL. Definitely, it will move on the same percentage. At least it will move on to the same percentage. I will show you. I think some disturbances are there in. Sir, please mute your. Okay. Again, it will move on. Minimum at least you buy here, you get 50%, or if you buy at retracement, definitely you get 80 to 90%. Because it's breakout from 2016 to 2024. Okay, more than 8 years, the BPCL should be on sideways. After the long period only, it should be breakout. So it's a very good up movement we'll expect in BPCL, guys. Don't miss it. Because why I'm saying this much of confidence means the same scenario occur in SBI. We already discussed in 2 days or 3 days before. Same in SBI. Just say that in SBI, same scenario from 2010 to 24, 14 years. Once it's break the 14 years high, it gives 154%. So this is a great opportunity, guys, in BPCL. We have a somewhat amount, so for long-term purposes, we can definitely invest in BPCL, because another advantage is they are regularly giving the bonus. Just now we discussed about the bonus dividend shares. Okay, so Bharat Petroleum is a regular, they are allocating the bonus for the shareholders. Okay, okay. Next one.
DEL, sir, Coal India.
What's that?
Coal India.
Coal India. Coal India also is a good one. Okay, Coal India. Coal India, it's also break the previous high, because market in all-time high, so it breaks the all-time high. So this is the all-time high is 430. You already break from 1, 2, now it break. This although it's a very good opportunity to buy. Okay, for long term, Coal India is good for buy. Sir,
Okay, sir,
all this analysis only for long term, not for short term. Okay, you at least wait 2 to 3 years, maximum 5 years.
Sir, Tata Motors, sir.
Tata Motors is already overvalued, but it's a good gem. Tata Motors is already break all-time high. You miss the opportunity. So 1, 2, already we missed this opportunity. Third time at May 2023. Within a year, once it breaks, within a year, you just see that within a year, it returns 100%. From 2022 to 24, within a year, within a maximum 2 years, within 2 years, it gives 100% return, because it breaks from 2016 to 24. The same scenario in BPCL. So you just think about BPCL. If you buy within a 2 years, your money will be double. Okay. So Tata Motors is good for a buy when it will retest the previous low. That is previous support. It comes at 500 to 600. It's a good opportunity to buy for Tata Motors. But it definitely comes, because every up movement stocks will at least give the retracement. Once it occurs 500 to 600, the great opportunity in Tata Motors for long term. Next one.
Sir, what about CDSL, sir?
CDSL. CDSL in top, sir. So you just wait, because it's a higher high. So you just wait for a retracement. So 1, 2, and 3. It will occur here. Previous support you can buy. If you want to buy the CDSL, then go at 800 plus. Otherwise, we can skip this stock. If you ask, sir, it does not come in 811. It moves on, goes highs and high. Now we can just skip it, because we have a 5,600 stocks. Okay,
Yes,
but
sir,
it
yes, sir.
comes at retracement at 800 plus. It's the best to buy opportunity.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Sir, one more stock, sir. Bharat Dynamics, BDL.
BDL, correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Bharat Dynamics, correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, Bharat Dynamics also same higher high. You just wait for we just wait for previous support. That means 650 to 750. The great is opportunity to buy in BDL. If it will come, otherwise just skip it.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Or if you have any doubt, guys, you can ask. Sir, suggest 2 to 3 multi-bagger stock for 2 to 3 years. Within 2 to 3 years, how it will become a multi-bagger? Okay, I'm not recommending. I am suggest 1 or 2 stocks for multi-bagger. The first one is Trident. First one is Trident. The Trident price is now it 31.33 something. So I already analyzed this stock. So it will move from here to 70. That means 100%. The stop loss is 29.50. It's a very, very important one. At monthly candle, guys, you just, if you want, you just mark it. The buying opportunity is 31 to 35. Now it's a buying range only. Stop loss is 29.50 at monthly. Target is 43, 53, 70. This is the first stock in multi-bagger. And second one is Yes Bank. Yes Bank also is a good one. It's moving on higher high and higher high. Okay. So higher high, higher low, higher high, higher high, higher low, and again move to the higher high. So at least it will goes up to 70. Second target is 70. First target is 40. Once you can buy here 20 plus range, your money will be double. That is multi-bagger, almost 98%. This is for second multi-bagger stock, Yes Bank. And third one is
Sir, Zomato.
Zomato, I think it's all-time high, sir. So it's a very riskable one. You just wait for 170 range. It will occur. You can go for buy. Actually, it's a double bottom. Okay, it's a very clear double bottom. I will show you. It's a clear double bottom. Once you can buy at once it break the neckline, it will give at least this target 138%. You forget above this one, at least you get the return of 130%. But at current scenario, you just skip the Zomato. Once it reach 160 or 170, you go for buy. The third multi-bagger, in my point of view, South Indian Bank, but it's a very slow movement of the stock, so you just wait. They already analyze. You can buy 23 to 24. If it has come 15 to 18, you just average it, and the stop loss is 12 rupees. The targets are 32. The first target is 32. Second target is 41, 48, and 57 for South Indian Bank. But the stock has a very slow movement, so you need to wait. But compare with this previous movement, it's a great opportunity in South Indian Bank. Maybe the rally will move on very fastly because it breaks the double top. I don't know whether you watch or not. It breaks the double top. After 6 years, from 2018 to 26, after 6 years, it breaks the double top. Now it's a retracement. It's a very good opportunity for buy. Once it return, it turns from here, easily achieve the 32, 42, 47, 57. We just See the return. 31%, 30%, 70%, 92. The final target is 131, 137%, almost double. So I recommend, I'm not recommend, I'm suggesting the three stocks: Trident, South Indian Bank, and Yes Bank. Yes, any other question?
Sir, in South Indian Bank, what was the duration? How we know up tentatively for the amount like double when you draw that line?
Sorry, sir, can you repeat?
The duration when we can expect that, that.
Sir, duration
50.
for long term, you cannot predict the duration. Long term means you need to wait at least 3 years, minimum 3 years, maximum 5 years for achieving the multi-bagger. This target, it may take 3 to 5 years.
I'm sorry to ask, but what is multi-bagger, sir?
Multi-bagger means it should be a double of your amount. For example, you are investing 100 rupees, it should be converted as 200 rupees.
And for that, we can wait 3 to 5 years is a good amount period.
But sometime within 1 year or within 6 months also, some stocks they become a multi-bagger. But it depends on the stocks, company-based. All things are based on the company-based things. They are forthcoming projects, every quarterly result. So based on this scenario, the company stock will be fluctuation between the particular time period. As a general point of view, as a multi-bagger stock will take 3 to 5 years generally.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. That's nice. Thank you.
Any other question, guys? Sir, Volkswagen, I think not in stock, sir. We'll check. Volkswagen. No, sir. No, sir. Volkswagen, not as Indian stock, sir. Volkswagen is the, I think, other country. In Indian market, it's a no stock in Volkswagen. Any other question, guys?
What about Infosys, sir? What is happening? Everybody gives an example in any seminar about Infosys.
Infosys.
Thank you.
Infosys. Okay, Infosys good for long term. They're already they're waiting for break the previous high.
Okay.
They're waiting for break the previous high. Once it's break, because the previous high is 2022, now 2024. Okay, so once the break 1961, or I think 1969, you can round up as 1970 at monthly. You can expect the new movement in Infosys until it's the sideways for monthly, until from 1,230 to 1,900, it should be a sideways market. You can convert as the weekly, it clearly shows it's a sideways market.
Yes, sir.
Correct.
Thank you. Yes, sir.
Any other questions? Sir, can you tell me about cryptocurrencies? Sir, cryptocurrency, sorry to say, in our Indian government, they are not recognize the cryptocurrency, and they are not specifying any official terms like it's legal or not legal. So, in my point of view, try to avoid the cryptocurrency. Once the government will recognize. After recognizing our Indian government, we'll think about the investment on cryptocurrency. So, try to avoid the cryptocurrency. What about L&T? L&T is well and good. It's a good stock. for long term L&T. L&T in all-time high, sir. So you just wait for the breakout. As per chart, you just wait for the breakout because L&T also in sideways because they are in resistance. They are not able to break from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 months. Okay, the past 7 months, L&T are not L&T stocks are not able to break the previous high. So waiting for the breakout. You just wait. You can convert as weekly. It's a clear sideways. So just wait for the breakout.
So what about Exide Industries, the battery?
Exide Industries, just Exide. Exide, it's all-time high. Okay, you just wait for the previous support. 350 to 400, 350 to 380 is a good buying range. Exide, Amaraj battery. So these kinds of battery industries are will definitely going a big impact in stock market because these batteries are should be a part of EV sector. So have a great opportunity in futures in EV sectors. So you can consider Exide and Amaraj battery. Both are a good one.
Sir, how
Okay,
about
thank you, sir.
strategies, sir?
What's that?
Any strategies
For intraday or long term?
intraday?
Intraday, okay. I think you are the trader, correct? Okay. The simple strategy for Nifty and Bank Nifty, okay. This only for already exiting in stock members. They only can understand. That's why I'm telling this one. So in Bank Nifty and Nifty, you can use it, sir. There's no big strategy. Okay, I think you already know. Just repeat once again. You just go with the first 1 hour in every day, sir. From 9:15 to 10:15, you mark it higher low. So this is the 27. This is the 27 market. From 27, this is the 1 hour low, and this is 1 hour candle high. Okay, can zoom it. From 9:15 to this is the high, and this is the low. This is the 9:15 candle, 1 hour candle. Once after closing the 1 hour candle, you can mark it low and high. After that, you can convert as 5 minutes. Once it can convert as the 5 minutes, based on the breakout, you can take the trade. Okay, from 9:15, from 9:15, 12:50 the breakout. Once it breaks to 12:50, you go for go in short side. You get the profit. $30 to 40 points, you get the profit. The stop loss is previous resistance. If you go for the sell, stop loss is previous resistance. If you go for buy, your stop loss is previous support. It's a very simple strategy for intraday.
For example, if it crosses previous day high or previous day low means we can go for long and short, no?
Can you repeat, sir?
If the price crosses previous day high means we can go for long, no?
No, sir, you don't consider about previous day candle. You can consider about only 9:15 to 10:50 1 hour candle.
Yeah, that is first 45 minutes high or low, high and low.
First, sir, first 1 hour, 9:15
1 hour,
to 10:15.
okay, 1 hour. Okay, okay.
You just mark it the first 1 hour candle, high and low. After that, you can convert the 5 minutes time frame. Once it's
Okay.
break in which hour, you can go for the particular. If, for example, if break in high, you go for the buy. If break in
Long.
low, you go for sell.
Short, okay, okay.
Yes,
Stop
that means
loss,
short.
sir? Again,
Stop loss is if you go for short, your stop loss is previous resistance. For example, I clearly show in. For example, this is your trade. Okay, this is the high and low. For example, you go for buy. The candle will break here, so you go for buy. Candles are like here. So now you can buy here. You can buy here. Once you go for buy, previous support is your stop loss. For example, this is the previous support. This is first stop loss. Similarly, in sell side. For example, it breaks here. You go for sell here. Sell. For example, this is the resistance mean. This is the stop loss for your sell. Clear, ma'am?
Yes, sir. Clear, sir. Sir, this strategy only for Nifty.
It's only for Nifty and Bank Nifty intraday strategy.
Okay. For long term,
at 5 minutes time frame.
Okay, sir. For long term means, sir?
Ma'am, long term. The long term time frame, we have a lot of strategies, ma'am. It is very difficult to explain in short period of time.
Okay.
You better go for technical analysis. For long term, you go for trend, double top, double bottom, channels. You have a lot of technical analysis.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Sir, for observing all the market trends, which website is better, sir?
Can you repeat, ma'am?
For observing market trends, now you show the trends and all. Which website is better for us, sir?
Ma'am, already I showed, but okay, no issue. So these websites are website and mobile apps, both are available for these these companies. You can refer it. TradingView, Money Control, Yahoo Finance, TickTrap, Screener, Investing. So these websites as well as the web apps are available, both Android and Mac. You can use it. You just a Gmail account, you can open the account and you can use it.
Thank you, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Some of the members are asked Voltas and Ether. Okay, we'll check. Voltas. Voltas is a very good stuff. Voltas. So Voltas is break the previous high. So just wait for the retracement, sir. Once it occurs, once it reached 1,300 to 350, it's a great opportunity to buy in Voltas because it's also break the 2 years high. It's a double top. Once it breaks, it's a great opportunity to buy. Okay, once it retracement occur, you can go for buy. Next one is Sir, Ether, I think it listed from 2022, only 2 years old of this company. So in my point of view, yeah, I think it's a sideways. So try to avoid this stock or you just wait for the retracement. Okay. Just see this monthly is a clear sideways. You can convert as weekly. It's a clear sideways. So you just wait for a breakout. If you want to invest in this company, you just wait for a breakout at monthly 1082. Above 1082, you think about buying it. Okay.
Sir, how to analyze in the IPO?
Ma'am, IPO is based on company fundamentals. There's no charts available in IPO because they are not published in any exchanges. So you can find out the fundamental analysis. In
Okay.
second day, we will discuss about P ratio.
Okay, sir. Okay.
You can find out, yes. Shall we use the Angel app? Sir, in public forum, we are not able to specify any company names. Okay. It's a good, okay, you can use it. Okay, not bad. Which app is safe to use for trading? Sir, all the Demat accounts are controlled by the SEBI, Security Exchange Board of India. Though there is no issue, you can open Demat account in any SEBI recognized Demat broker. I think most of the 100%, all the brokers should be under the control of SEBI only. So there is a no problem. So before starting the Demat account, you just discuss with the what is the brokerage fees. Okay, maybe brokerage fee will differ from one broker to another broker. Okay, so after discussing the broker fee, you can decide to open the Demat account. It should be useful for you. Sir, Magendra Group stocks are well and good, sir. You can move on. Whenever a market will crash or particular stocks will be goes down, you can average it. Magendra stocks, all these Magendra stocks will be good. And what about Ashok Leyland? Just now we discussed about the Ashok Leyland. It's also a good one for long term. Geo, sir, in my point of view, what is success in my client, same to all of you guys. In my point of view, Reliance and Adani stocks, I always not recommended. So you try to ignore. In my point of view, maybe I'm wrong, but Reliance and Adani stocks are I'm always not recommended, even though suggested. Now PNB Housing Finance, you go with the LIC Housing Finance, compare with the PNB, sir. Sir, how to find the sideways trend and before the trend will go? Good question, but we already discussed in third day of the workshop. Based on sideways, based on the trend line, based on the support resistance, we can find out whether market moves on uptrend or goes on downtrend. Sir. Based on support and resistance, you can easily find out in chart. Sir, some members are say ITC stocks are better. What is your opinion? Yes, sir. ITC is well and good. I think some news are there. ITC will be splitted. Once it's splitted or they give the bonus, again the market price will be goes down. It may be divided into 2 or divided into 3 means it get the low price. You can easily buy it. So it's the correct time to buy the ITC stocks when they are announced the bonus. ITC is good for long term, sir. No issue. HDFC groups are good, sir. Not only HDFC Life, HDFC group is good for long term. No, sir, I am not thought about alcohol intensity. Most of the people sir think about ITC is only for alcohol. Not like that. ITC have a lot of products are there. Even biscuits, a lot of products are they can manufacturing the ITC. Alcohol is the one of the product in ITC. Yeah, ONGC is a good one. Oil and natural gas. For long term, ONGC is very good. It's also PSU stocks. Varun Beverages is, in my point of view, try to avoid.
So what about Manappuram?
Not only Manappuram, all gold-based stocks are Manappuram. I'm not all the trust. Okay. Yeah, Manappuram also. Manappuram also waiting for breakout. Yes, Manappuram also waiting for breakout. Sir. Once it's break about 225, you think about Manappuram. From 2021 to 2021 to 2024. 3 years, the stocks are not able to break the previous high. So just wait for a breakout.
Okay, thank you.
Any other doubts?
Sir, can you explain about trailing stop loss?
I'm not always recommending trailing stop loss. Sir. Stop loss is the stop loss. Once you hit the stop loss, you just exit. Trailing stop loss is it's a dangerous one. So as per my point of view, I'm not recommended anyone to trailing stop loss. So before going to wind up this session, at least can I do proper trading in Indian stock market? Yes, you can do. Power Grid is very good. It's one of the high dividend company, PSU stocks. You go with Power Grid whenever it comes a lower price. Okay, thank you guys. Thank you for your valuable questions and observing from the past 5 days. Before going to the conclusion, I need at least within 20 to 30 seconds, any one or two participants to describe about this, describe the feedback about the past 5 day session within 20 to 30 seconds. Anyone? Not in chat box. Not in chat box.
Good evening, sir. I'm Dr.
good evening,
Madhavi.
Yeah.
Sir, it's very nice session, sir. We learn more information about the technical analysis, fundamental analysis, especially the technical analysis, that candle moving and all. Thank you very much, sir. It's very informative session. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. The last one, anyone?
Sir, actually, can I speak?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, hello.
Tell me, ma'am.
So actually, in the past few days, my basics were very clear, and it helped me a lot. So now I can tell others, okay, what is stock and what is trading. All thanks to you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much. Shekhar sir, can we wind up?
Yes, sir. Really, thank you for all the participants. For a certificate link, please check on our WhatsApp group instructions. We will post on certificate feedback link in YouTube comment box. Go and check everyone after wind up the session.